fine boy, very beauty conscious, Dimore. According to Ibadan girls, Dimore. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for comedian Young Chief.
Vibes.
God damn it.
I like you. Love is a vibe. Nice.
Yeah, where MOP say come from Port Harcourt. Me, I be worry boy, yo. I be Curtis. I just tell you that. Dan this, yeah, father. The way they smoke this cigar, like say they give you target, oh. What's it happen? You don't leave this. I go beat you. Hello. Hey. Just come out the hand. I don't know what I be. That is the father. At the level now. I saw you soft. Don't drop some bars, bro. What's popping? Okay, you know they drop bars again. You don't hold the bars. The guy won't kill you. I'll go smoke your destiny away. Alpha, now that they Alpha, they're not get share. They don't have seats. Casino, you're choir members. Better if I wait sit down. Wow. You're welcome. Wow. Well done. Oh, wow. This life, nothing do. My brother, this life, nothing do. See, those people when they shout, what God cannot do does not exist. When choosing come, I am choosing. Who are you? Oh, but you know your testimony. As I was going, the lion now carry me up. And say, follow this way. Next week for this country, Tiger go drive plane. When I go hear testimony. Gone are the days when they say the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. My brother, the way the country did now, anything make you fall. If you rise again, man, die. Country don't redo. Bro. See casino now, they talk about marriage, they talk about this, they talk about that. That Oga, hello sir. Oga with white beard. Oga, when casino was speaking, I just say, you know, they smile, you know, they answer around. Is everything okay, sir? Hey, Oga. Is that your wife? Is that your wife? Is that person come? The video you don't make me the act. Yeah. You didn't really laugh, oh. They video you. They will post it on YouTube. I'm trying to save you, sir. If you make a tell me, come on, sir. Idiot, can you get out from there? Want to kill his marriage. Oh, well, women powerful. You know the funny thing, they get a laugh. Video, but see the way your video. Hey, idiot, cameraman, idiot. See the way your video like this, maybe like say the get there with those people. Women are powerful. They talk about marriage, they talk about this. Oh, but women are powerful. Not be joke. Women get power. You know, say if you and your wife they watch one video as you did so. Come up here and see that. Bros. No, that guy. You want to be native? Okay. Now your wife. Yeah. Your wife? Why are you serious? How long have you been married? Are you the thinker? They're forced to enter the marriage. Are you okay? Speak out to more help you. But your wife? Serious? How long have you been married? 2 years. Okay, just start. 2 years. 2 years now, marriage. You know, say, wait, 2 years now, madam. Do you check his phone? You don't check it. 2 years. You go to check him more. They check in WhatsApp, delete message. What happened to me last week will happen to everybody. Check it. You know, say, as a married man, if your wife wake you by 2 a.m., call you by your name, give you chemi, you sit down for the middle of your parlor, because say, Peter, sit down, I need to talk to you. You know, say you don't die as a man. That time, the principality and power, you they fight, oh. Or your wife got to say, honey, what is this? Maybe you just they wake up, they point your phone for your face. Honey, what is this? Now your WhatsApp song. No, as the man, you clear, I say, honey. If you wake up, coma. And the one way bad, the women, they get the way they go throw the question, give you, it go be like, no one ask you, but now you they give. You and your wife go, they watch one video. Inside the movie, The man they cheat on the wife. Women go cut like say they don't want to ask you, but now you go throw the question for air. They say now wow, look at this sweet man and the sweet family with all the sweet children and everything. He's still cheating on the wife. My brother, don't put mouth too. If you put mouth, you don't die. Okay, the way they shall say, like I'm sharing your story. They don't do you ever. They don't do you ever. No, am I? Now you gotta be. I'm right. This guy they face trouble for the marriage. He said, my brother, you are right. Speak my mind. You are right, bro. Nigeria sweet die. See, you can't talk about police. You don't see any police. Not be Lagos police. They say, can't worry police. For worry police, as I speak to you, you know say police. If police want to collect money for checkpoints, you can see them. They go just stop motor. Hey. But you know say you not go ever cash army. You not go ever cash army man collect bribe. But you get the way they take collect the money. The way you shake your head, you be soldier. No, because the mobile police and army I'm talking about, not be the one for Lagos, and the one for Warri. Because I talk to the army, the guy just shake your head, they look me for in mind, the guy is dead, I'll kill him. Not be the one for Lagos that they talk about. You know what I mean? I think I know they talk. Casino na deaf and dumb. The way the guy they laugh and they really feel like deaf and dumb. I really deaf and dumb. Woo! No, bros, if you be really army na joke. My brother, the way your head fold, come on for here, you not be army, you be DPO. Nonsense. I mean, not they get this kind of head. Nonsense. Now, they fear you. They crazy. I mean, my time don't go. Thank you very much, Onado.
The one I tell they come on with hammy. So, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Young Chief. What a clap. Oh, comedy hard, though. This work now, nobody want really do it before. So, it's a very difficult job. I have my friends here with Dogu Keita. God bless you. My comedian friend, now Bola. Sure, you say we're not going to make a record on liver. His name is Lamendes. He didn't see it coming. He fell along the road of journey of success. He fell down. Today we are cracking joke for him. But thank God you fell. Who for come buy that drink now? Thank you guys for coming all the way for Sapele. And my friends that came, we appreciate you guys. But ladies and gentlemen, before I bring on stage a dope picking, then I'll bring the stalker to shut down the night. I want to bring a very distinguished senior colleague of mine, very, very talented and very, very much creative. Make some noise for the man who knew me when I was born. A very good friend to my mother. In fact, my mother used to tell me, greet that my friend, oh, when we did secondary school, we did yellow house together for a transport. But he's still into comedy. Make some noise for Bold Joint. When are you they happy now?
Vibes. I like you.
Hey,
Love is a vibe.
Thank you. Casino, thunder, I can fire you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to let you know that cow is now 1.8 million. So if you are anybody they quarrel now, the person say you are a cow, happy oh. Now value. And women, please, as now they are beg, look yourself before you go do the kind of cloth where they wear. You can't get bold leg, go they wear leggings. You know they walk. If you must wear leggings, avoid some colors. I go wear, you go get bold leg, go they wear red leggings and black blouse. Only you can't resemble plier for people eye. Ladies and gentlemen, they say women love sex more than men. But now they look like that. Even God knows. That's why I give them a period so that they'll get chance to rest. The reason why people they look at it that men love sex fast, women they compose themselves when they beg for sex. If women they beg for sex, tell the guy, say, I want it. The guy say, no, I am not in the mood. But God forbid, I never see any man where they reject sex. I'm not in the mood. You go see the woman, see the reaction. Like, for real? Are you for real right now? You serious? Okay, that's fine. You don't turn. Sleep. Men. When men they beg for salary, you go tell you, say, worldwide approved, federal government approved, nationwide approved. Now one voice all of us they get. If you like, they get tiny voice normally. Alpha. That time now you go, yeah. I beg now, lady cap. Please don't do this to me, don't do this. Now that time you go see. When they don't beg for salary, then they go they promise what they no get. I will buy you a helicopter. One man I shocked me. I will buy you long life and prosperity. Women get power. Have you seen where you go tell them say women get power? Go as a man, go hotel, go sleep. Only you. May woman know day. You go see say now that time you go say women get power. I don't see somebody now where you go sleep for hotel. The girl disappoint her. He call. He don't call like 25 different guests. No one come. The last number went die. No, my wife's number. Unknowingly, see conversation. Hello, baby. How are you? Your wife say, I'm fine. Say, long time. You just abandoned me. The wife, they look and say, something they want to do. And say, where are you right now? Your wife say, I'm at home, of course. Say, can you come to Green Spring Hotel to meet me? Your wife say, now then your wife called Brian. Are you okay? He say, calm down now. I will do you well. It won't be like last time. The wife is quiet. Now your wife called her and say, can you check the number you are calling? Now he called her. Bam. Now yesterday we go in burial. No. And what I noticed, poor people, they're too superstitious. Poor people, you don't see where rich men sneeze. Like that guy, I just excuse me. Don't be poor man. Poor man say, hey, who they gossip me? Who are you? Rich man, hand go they scratch hand. You go complain. My palm they itch me. The fellow rich man go say, you are reacting to something. Go and see your doctor. Don't be poor people. You don't feel be fashion. Oh, they scratch hand. Hey, this one man, they scratch me. Say, let's say money they come. You know that work. Do all they pay me? You don't see when they vandalize rich man car. When they vandalize rich man car. Oh, I just see rich man. Now if fellow rich man go to mock up. Hello, Mr. James. I let they vandalize the car. Come on, I told you to leave that estate. That estate does not befit your status. Come to Banana Island. What is 2 billion? Now you can't come to Banana Island. Come on, you can do better. The next thing you call the answer, what is your lawyer doing about it? What is your insurance company doing about it? Now so, poor man! Not be generator, not be cow, now small generator, I pass my neighbor. Like 300 people don't gather for the scenes. Hey, yeah. Sorry, you see one leader go say, that's why I only change my own. You want to call the payment? Now the last way I go, yeah. Now wow. My brother, I beg, no let them pay you. The people at TV generator and your problem the TV go. How my generator don't be problem? Very crazy people. I know, and listen. Before. Okay, make up your mind, laugh like one laugh. So where the laugh, let's say the pincher. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, say normally, I'm a perfume freak. I don't joke with perfume. For real. When I take perfume play. Yeah. Yo, I don't joke with perfume. I use perfume. I use the one they talk, they call cologne. Although they sell 500,000, 1 million, 1.5. Papa, they look me at the user. But actually, I don't feel afford that. I cannot afford it. What I do is I go where they sell it. Like I say I won't buy. When they look, now test, you know. They will come, sir, which one do you want? They will bring her. I don't smell well with that too. And then they bring one. They will bring another one. Say, try this one, you love it too. Keep on. Before they don't bring like 5. Now that I tell you, if you spray expensive perfume for body, different type. Once, you know, they smell well again. No. They smell like old motor that abandoned. When I don't use it now, they'll come say, which one do you want among the one you sample? And their problem day. I'll say, actually the one I want, because I want wrong. The one I wanted to buy, you guys don't have it. Now lie you. They'll say, try this one. I'll say, no, I don't get power. I want run. Now they don't come. Come carry paper, give me. Can you spell it here in case of next time? I'll write rubbish. I don't run. Now Lagos say I don't have me work. I go for Abuja I work. Worry I don't have me work. Now when I go Aba, now enter Ibo man shop. You come now who I want here? And they look, that's what he bring. He say, now try this one. I give her and keep him back. Bring another one. Before you know Ibo man don't bring like 5. I can't see one I like. I say, glass I go like. He say, now wait. You don't test 5. Buy one first. Now one run. I can say, okay, actually, you want one even one buy. Let's say you look at it. I say, who tell you? Because say, mention the name. I can say, you know they're here. He say, call the name. Because I say there's nothing like Caplicus for perfume. Because okay, you get Caplicus. I shock. People might say, Ide. Nothing like Caplicus for perfume. He say, Ide. Hey, Buka, what's that Caplicus? Then bring them. I say, Caplicus. I say, I want to run now. One idea going to my head, I give take. He said, what you now say? I don't understand this one. He said, what you do? I said, the one where they did it for black packet. But the one where you give me the red packet, I shock people and say, hey, now that one I Catholic is black. He did. Hey, Buka! What I black? For your mind, you must buy this today. Then bring them. I said, Catholic is black. I said, Jesus. I want it wrong. I call the thing. I said, what I want to do now? One idea going to my head, I do confuse and I said, take. He said, what happened? I said, that's fake. He said, who tells you that's fake? I said, the Catholic is black, what they use. The kiss. No be K, then they started. Now see, we come up for a boom. But the one way give me, now straight K. He says I don't confuse him. I shock him and I say, hey, if I don't talk now, you want to give me a Catholic English. The way they talk a Catholic French. He did. Hey, Buka! What I get French? Then bring him. I say, Catholic French. This time around, I don't know what I want to lie or like my hand on the shake. People might just see the confusion on my face. He said, now in case they plan to call Catholic quoi? He did. Now, I say, okay, I better not plan call anything, no verse. Now, window shopping, I can't do. He said, hey, no, idiot. He say, you want to deceive me. Even if I don't get Catholic keys. You see that the way they your back. He said, my printer office there. Other time they call Catholic, they hang the printer for empty packet. Ladies and gentlemen, before I leave, if you be agent here, I take God beg you. If you be house agent here, God will punish you. Those agents, Ogami, say agent. If you get business with agent, you go bless you on a day-to relationship. Anything where you want, now you go buy and you go pay for them. I don't go meet agent. My first one room, one rent. I go agent, go meet her. He say you buy phone. I buy phone. I fill her finish. He say okay. He say which house they want? I say one room. He say okay. I know who know the person where know the exact house where they look for. I go need to call her, but you go buy me recharge card. Even if they get 20,000 for their phone, they need to use and call. I come buy her. I give her 90 guy card. Load and finish. Hello? What's you? Pay me pada. Then, for 1,000? He said, no worry, go call back. To the guy call. God bless you, sir. True, the guy call. As the guy call, he say, okay, more they go. So he call the guy. He say, show me room call. One room. To one niki. That one say, hey, mumbo. Guy, where they go? How come they go? With the waka they go, like we see where they say. I went to the call Agbo. Show me your pain. Show me malaria. Show me typhoid. Oh yeah, mix here. Eloni 250. That's the one give him. Order. Malawi. We can't go. You see, got the egg come. How much? That one say 300. You buy finish. Order. Now, we enter motor. As we drive, they go. We never reach area. Once we reach the bus stop, immediately we reach the bus stop. Bam. No, they never even reach the bus stop. That the conductor say, "Order." But nowhere. Now we reach. I don't know why. If they want to go show you house where no good. As the first enter, the 5 minutes go fair they see. That can't now they go. You go call they pray. As they see, God maybe sin a year. Now pass up. They go the second one. God, I bet maybe sin at this place. When I pass up, God maybe say before you know, now don't pass all the good building. Go enter jaga building. That time now your prayer go change. God, I beg, I don't like this one, I beg. When I pass up, go say thank God. Waka again. I bet me no be sin. When I walk out, before you know, you don't see say 3 fire building. Don't they the end of the street? Go say thank God. Say we don't reach the end of this 3 building. Now one of the building, you know gonna say one jaga house go hide in between those 3 buildings. Now there the guy will not brown. For your mind, organ you go say na here. For your mind, say which kind of rubbish be this one? Now enter the guy, please. As he reach the place, one face me, I face you. He enter. I can't look the face me. I say, oh, I'll go to an okay, me I just see as inside be. He just come out to the man. The man give a key. He said, follow me. The man carry me turn. That was the first time in my life. He said, face me, I face you, get boys quarter. They don't go construct small building. Of course, you gonna say that kind of house. If you want to enter, you go bend and enter. When I even reach the place, as the guy open the place, bam, say, Organa here. And once they don't show you bad house, they're not going to teach you how to use that. Say, Baba Siana, Palash, everything. I say, where? I say, no space for you now. Where I go put my mattress? He say, you go put that here. I say, if I put my mattress for you, no space. He say, what you go do? He say, anytime where you need to sleep, you go raise the mattress. If you want to sleep, you go bring her down. Ladies and gentlemen, good night. God bless you.
Wow. That guy will cosplay you that money. In they fear you. Are you be the first person that spray money? Now, wow, that perfume joke. In get body odor, in get issues. Now, wow, Lagos agent. Now, one of my guys go rent house. The thing I say, he said the house too small. Agent say enter. When you park enter, go to expand. All right, see, this is Sonic Crew, man. This Lekki Comedy Club we are doing is not what we do here all the time. We do this every first Sunday of every month. But apart from this show, they get show here from Monday to Monday. Mad activities, they happen here. So you can follow Sonic Room on their Instagram handles, Sonic Room Lagos. If you're a fan of our comedy club, you can also follow us, Lekki Comedy Club, or just follow MC Casino on Instagram. Our next episode will be November 3rd. So every first Sunday of every month, this is where the entire Lagos always come to have fun. I want to bring up Edo Piki. But before I bring him up, I'll quickly share a story. Something that made us, that made our friendship strong. You know, people say we have been friends for years. Our relationship is somehow sexual. Yes. Edo Piki has slept with me before. No, for real. But we not plan them. Not judge me, oh. When I listen and the guy just sleep with me, oh, see what happen. That time, 2010, we were in one room in Ugbowo, a Degbe hostel. So now one room, me in the stay. Normal student apartment. So if me they sleep, I they naked. I they like my peace and my freedom. If in they sleep, in the open mouth. So, but the way we take the sleep, both of us they sleep weird like this. So that day we come high. He can't sleep weird like this. Me can't sleep weird like this. So I meet the naked in the open mat. So I come like say my pelvic come dey close to his face. So we can't dey sleep. So when we dey sleep, we can't dey dream. Say me I don't begin dey drag banana. So we dey drag the banana, I don't begin come succeed. So he can't carry the banana put for mat. So the first way they put our mat, I can't wake up. My prick did the idiot mouth. The guy can't give me blowjob. Now what he pay me because he didn't do that with my consent. So ordinarily it's more like he raped me. So normally I suppose arrest Edo Piki, but I can't see the fee for him. Because that period I be the treat infection. Oh, Dogu Keyata. For infection, diabetes, gonorrhea, staphylococcus, HIV.